Hi guys, yeah, I'm here in it's called Dubai Water Taxi Station, and I'm crossing over on the other side. As you can see, I'm going to show you in a little while. I'm going to show you crossing on the other side at the Dirham side. Okay, so this is unbelievable that you can cross the creek for just less than $1. Less than $1? No, less than 50 cents. Believe it or not. I will be crossing over to the other side where you are seeing the building, but it doesn't go direct. Actually, it goes on the other side where you're seeing the boats coming from, and the boats there you can see over there, it just costs just 50 cents just to cross from this side to the other side, and yet you really get to see the view on the Dubai side, on the Dirham side. If you look on in the map for Dubai, you're going to see that it's separated by the Arabian Sea, which has the creek, which is called Dubai Creek, and this separates the Dirham side and the Dubai side. And so I'll be getting on a boat. I'm going to take you the journey of it, the experience of it, crossing a boat for less than 50 cents. Amazing. Dubai Water Taxi Station. This is amazing. Only in Dubai. Yup. So I'm approaching the boat. This is going? Oh, thank you. Okay, this is my boat. Having social distancing rules. Looking for a place to sit in my boat. Right. Beautiful. Less than 50 cents. Okay, bye. $1 1 dirham. Way to go. Okay, that's the guy operating the boat. Our boat leaves the dock. Yes! Here we go! Here we go! For less than $1, guys. Less than 50 cents. Just look at the view. That is the Dubai side. Unbelievable, for only 1 dirham getting all this right. That is like 25 cents dollar. And you're having a very beautiful view of the Dubai Creek. Yeah, this is very beautiful view. Crossing over the creek for less than 50 cents dollar. That is the floating restaurant. New floating restaurant. Yacht rental. See how it looks like. It has an upper deck. The middle deck where there is AC. And here we are almost back. We are almost arriving to the dock. The dock station. For less than $50. There we go. We're almost there. Yes, that's the boat for, you can ride in Dubai for less than $1, less than 50 cents actually. Yeah, here we are, something like 5 minutes. Here we arrive at the dock. Okay, it's time to alight. Right. This is the beautiful creek. As you can see, nice building, very nice view. I'm standing on the Dirham side as we speak. I've just crossed over from Bar Dubai to Dirham side. I was over that side and now I've crossed to this side for less than 50 cents. Wow, amazing! You can only find in Dubai.